our 18-inch single burner hot plate. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 18 inches, a depth of 20.5 inches, and a height with legs, we have 24.5 inches tall. Included will be the natural gas regulator, along with information on this burner. At the top, we have the removable burner plate, and below that we have the jet burners. Front will be the on and off valve for operation, and right below will be the waste pan. Measurements for the waste pan will include 15 inches in length, 20.25 inches in depth. Waste pan can be removed and inserted back onto the track. Coming to the side will be the ANSI certification, along with the gas information for this single burner. And coming to the back will be the black pipe to hook up gas regulator. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.